Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange.
Wi-Fi is connected but no internet. How to fix this issue? First, you need to check whether your Wi-Fi router is working or not. You check through your mobile phone, and if it is working, then you need to come to the PC side and do the troubleshoot. First, you need to click here and click for troubleshoot. It will take some time and it will fix your issue. So in my PC, it's not identifying the problem. Okay, if still you have the problem, you can right click here and go to computer management, then go to device management, then you can click here the network adapter, and you need to search which is your Wi-Fi adapter. My Wi-Fi adapter is this one. It is Realtek. Then you need to click on that or update the driver. You can search through internet if you have internet. Else you can right click on this and uninstall this device. Just click uninstall. Don't select this one, otherwise it will delete your driver. So after that you need to restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.
If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.